All right, so Brian just made it here all the way from Tulsa, Oklahoma. What's up? And remember that we had this started at 3 o'clock. It is now a little after 8 o'clock. And we're going to check to see what this tastes like. Hopefully, Brian will go out and get himself one of these pressure cookers, because I tell you, it's amazing how quickly you can do this stuff. So anyways, we got this on broil. We're gonna pull these out, put them on here. We're gonna spice them up. I got some really good rub, some dry rub. Would you like some dry rub?
I would love some dry rub.
I also got some wet rub if you want some wet rub.
I'm a guy variety, you know?
Yeah, the glass lid is like a crock pot, but it also, like if you're going to be eating something or keeping it warm and want to have access to it, you don't have to put that other thing on it. This, look guys, it was almost difficult to pull these out as it was just falling off the bone. This is the rub that I got. Got this over at Sam's, and I put this on everything. This is like the best flavor. I've been a Lowry's guy. I mean, the Lowry. This beats Lowry's. I'm sorry, Lowry's. You got beat.
It beats Lowry's rub.
It beats his rub. Okay, so we have the original over on this side by the Amazon Basics. In the middle we have smoky bacon, and over here we have smoky garlic. Let's go ahead and put it in. We'll check it after 5 minutes. Put it right here without putting it in the oven. What do you think?
Absolutely amazing.
Absolutely amazing.
Man,
I
love
mean,
it.
Off the bone, off the chain.
It's ridiculous.
I mean, shiznit. I mean, all right. So we pulled these out, and it's time to taste test these and see what we like. I'm going to try the garlic first. I guess we can try the garlic first. It's warm.
Oh,
Mm.
man.
That's pretty awesome. All right, this is the smoky bacon. That's what I've been waiting for, is the smoky bacon. It's hot. I don't know why it's hot. How's it?
Really good. I think I like the garlic better, but they're both amazing.
Oh my God, that
It's
tastes
like ridiculous.
bacon. This is the original,
OG.
which I've had before. This is what I've been using, and it's amazing. And dog's just waiting for something to drop.
They're all really just bloody amazing. I mean, ridiculous. God.
So today we tried the smoky garlic, smoky bacon, the regular. We just put this on, which is the dry rub seasoning, and it's all amazing. Did it in our pressure cooker. Oh, and you tried some of our syrups too. We got a couple syrups that are keto, pretty yummers. You like the caramel? Caramel is pretty good.
I like the vanilla caramel.
You like the, really?
Can't wait to try it in hot coffee tomorrow.
Hot coffee tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow. What are we doing tomorrow? Hot Springs.
Yeah.
We're gonna go Hot Springs tomorrow. Hiking, getting our water,
Workout.
our incredible workout in the morning,
Yep.
starting at 5 o'clock tomorrow. So we gotta hurry up and eat and finish this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.
See ya.
Ah, who's hungry for ribs?
Me.
Me too.